Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best educational games for kids aged 4 to 6 is probably one of the most crucial investments parents can make in their child's early development, offering a dynamic and interactive way to foster essential cognitive, social, and motor skills during a pivotal stage of learning and growth, ensuring that playtime is not just fun but also profoundly beneficial for their academic readiness and overall well-being. Number 5. Coogam Wooden Blocks Puzzle. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish, this toy uses harmless paint for safe and worry-free play. It's designed with your child's safety in mind. With 40 colorful pieces, you can create countless shapes and figures. Each time you play, a new challenge and a new creation await. Its simple design and bright colors are perfect for igniting your child's imagination. It offers a fun challenge that can be approached differently every time. This puzzle helps children focus, enhances creativity, and improves eye-hand coordination and color recognition. It's a great alternative to screen time. It's not just for kids, adults can enjoy it as a great fidget toy too. This traditional puzzle is a timeless classic that appeals to everyone. Looking for a special present? This intelligence puzzle makes a perfect gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any other occasion. What we like? This wooden block puzzle is crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish and safe paint, ensuring a secure play experience. If you are looking for a classic, tactile toy that encourages creativity and provides a calming activity, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for children who enjoy hands-on building and problem-solving, offering endless possibilities for imaginative play. What people say. This is a great educational game for children aged 4 to 6 years old. The game is designed to help children develop their cognitive skills and learn new things. It features a variety of fun and engaging activities that will keep children entertained for hours. Number 4. Educational Insights BrainBolt Electronic Memory Game. Test your skills by following the flashing lights in this fast-paced handheld puzzle. It's designed to keep you challenged and entertained for hours. This screen-free activity is perfect for building concentration, reaction time, and memory. It's great for gamers, puzzle fans, and anyone who enjoys smart play. Its compact and handheld design makes it perfect for on-the-go fun. Take it on road trips, during school breaks, or anytime you need a boredom buster. Encourage cognitive play for both children and adults. It's a strong choice for attention-building activities, brain teasers, and quiet gaming time. This makes a great pick for birthdays, holidays, or stocking stuffers. It's a fantastic gift for kids, teens, adults, and fans of brain puzzles. What we like? This handheld electronic memory game is designed to challenge and entertain with its fast-paced, light-up sequences. If you need a screen-free activity to boost focus, reaction time, and memory, especially for travel or downtime, this is ideal. It's a great boredom buster for kids and teens who enjoy smart, engaging play on the go. What people say. This is a fun and engaging way to learn numbers and letters. The games are well designed and easy for young children to understand. My child loves playing with this educational toy and is learning so much. Number 3. PlayShifu Plugo Count Math Games. Introducing Plugo Count, an AR-powered STEM gaming kit that transforms your device into an engaging learning system. Solve exciting story-based challenges using numbers and operators. Our app provides 5 free STEM games with over 250 levels, adapting to your child's grade level. They'll enjoy math puzzles, word problems, and arithmetic. This kit is designed to enhance comprehension, critical thinking, and logical reasoning. It's the perfect gift for young minds who love numbers. Inside the box, you'll find a foldable gamepad, count spike, arithmetic operators, and digit sets. Everything connects magnetically, with no Bluetooth or electronics needed. It works with a variety of iOS devices, including iPads and iPhones, as well as select Samsung and Amazon Fire tablets. Check our compatibility list for details. What we like? This AR-powered STEM kit transforms your device into an interactive learning system for math. If you want to enhance your child's comprehension, critical thinking, and mathematical intelligence through engaging story-based challenges, this is the perfect gift. It's designed for children aged 4 to 10, offering a fun and progressive educational journey in numbers and operators. What people say. The educational games are designed for children aged 4 to 6 years old. The product includes a variety of activities that promote learning and development. The games are engaging and fun, keeping children entertained while they learn. Number 2. PlayShifu Plugo Letters Learning Kit. Introducing Plugo Letters, an innovative AR-powered word-building game kit. It combines hands-on learning with healthy screen time to help your child master reading, spelling, and grammar. Spell words with alphabet tiles, expand vocabulary, and improve grammar through engaging story-based games. It's a fun way to develop linguistic, reading, and cognitive skills. From introductory spelling games that teach phonics to more advanced games focusing on sentence structure and grammar concepts, it caters to a wide range of learning needs. Designed for children aged 4 to 10, this kit features an app with over 250 levels that adapt to your child's grade. Learning is progressive and always fun, with no in-app purchases. Unlike other games, it uses a unique gamepad and magnetic letter tiles for hands-on interaction without touching the screen. It encourages a tactile learning experience. The kit includes a letters trunk and 48 letter tiles, providing everything needed for hours of educational fun. Store everything neatly in the trunk when playtime is over. What we like. This AR-powered word-building game kit combines hands-on learning with healthy screen time to develop reading, spelling, and grammar skills. If you are looking for a way to sharpen your child's linguistic abilities, vocabulary, and cognitive skills through interactive games, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for ages 4 to 10, offering a progressive educational path from phonics to complex language concepts. What people say. This is a great educational game for children aged 4 to 6 years old. The game is designed to help children develop their cognitive skills, such as problem solving and critical thinking. It is also a fun and engaging way for children to learn new things. Number 1. Osmo Pizza Company. Interactive Math Game. Welcome to Osmo Pizza Company, where learning is an adventure. This award-winning game brings educational fun to life, allowing children to interact with physical pieces and a tablet. In this game, kids become pizza chefs. They'll take orders, handle payments, and learn the basics of running a business, all while practicing essential math skills. It's more than just making pizza. They'll master addition, subtraction, fractions, and mental math. Plus, they'll develop crucial business, communication, and problem-solving skills. Designed for a wide age range, this game adapts to your child's learning level. They can experiment and learn at their own pace with real-time feedback. Inside, you'll find everything needed to start playing, including the Osmo base and reflector for your iPad, pizza-making pieces, toppings, money tiles, and the Pizza Company game app. The magic happens when physical pieces come alive on screen. This game works with most iPads and compatible Fire tablets, offering a truly interactive experience. What we like. This interactive game turns learning math and business concepts into a fun pizza-making adventure. If you want your child aged 5 to 12 to practice real-world math, money management, and communication skills in a stress-free environment, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for developing critical thinking and problem-solving abilities through engaging, hands-on play. What people say. This is a great educational game for children aged 4 to 6 years old. The game is designed to help children develop their cognitive skills and learn new things in a fun and engaging way. It features a variety of activities that are both educational and entertaining, ensuring that children stay interested and motivated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.